To help us get started, let's define a few terms that we'll use today. Our first term is concentrator. A concentrator is a networking device that connects the wiring from individual PCs to the main network. The concentrator supplies the connection that allows the traffic from one device to communicate with another device. Concentrator is a generic name, and some networking devices that perform the function of a concentrator are repeaters, bridges, routers, and switches. Each of these devices will be discussed in later modules. The next term is backbone. The backbone of a network is the central communication conduit for all traffic. In large networks, PCs connect to some type of concentrator. The backbone connects all of the concentrators in the network together to create a main communication channel. A backbone can be a piece of cable that connects the concentrators, or it can be another device called a switch. The switch connects the concentrators together to form what is called a collapsed backbone. Collapsed means that concentrators link into a larger data center. Next is the wiring closet. A wiring closet is just the location where the wiring patch panels and networking hardware, such as concentrators, are located. As the name implies, it's normally just an out-of-the-way closet where a network manager can stuff some of his or her equipment. Sometimes you'll even find mops and brooms in there, but those are not essential to the operation of your network. A type of wiring closet is the IDF, or Intermediate Distribution Frame. In large buildings, there may be many wiring closets where networking equipment is located. These are called IDFs. The idea of structured wiring is to connect all the PCs in one area into a wiring closet located in that same area. This wiring closet is called an Intermediate Distribution Frame, or IDF. Each of these IDFs then connects back to a central wiring closet, which is called the MDF, which gets me to the MDF, or the Main Distribution Frame. This is the central wiring closet that connects all the IDFs. Large companies have a main networking lab or office where the MDF is located. All network connectivity from other closets and buildings connects to this location.